For this Max, parktronic control module is located here. From inside, and something around here. It's with like this 2 screws. And problem is it's not working because it shows that this lamp is shorted. Wait a second, I'm gonna check. Max, Galaxy, I think. C-Max is same, all fours. It's for front and rear. Have sensors. And it's not working because always here is lamp on. Something wrong, I must connect from new. Now, it's always this lightning and fault code is like that. And I think it's problem control unit. This in rear. We're gonna change it and it must be okay. So, if you have like this, change control unit. See you next time.